Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G, and I'm coming to y'all today with the Swank braid by Spirit of Texas Mums is where I saw it on her TikTok. She does gorgeous braids, of course. This I'm doing with 5/8 inch ribbon in silver and gold, both doubled, and it's just like the military braid. So it's just you flip one of them the other way. So I'll show you. I'm starting here, and then I just put that piece, the gold piece, in between. And I'm gonna take the silver and I'm gonna go under like this. And the way I like to do it is kind of leave it loose a little bit. Okay, so that one's under, and now this one is over. So the gold is over, and the silver is under. So there we go. I'll just kind of keep it like that. Silver under. Gold over. And if you keep it loose, it won't twist, and it looks like just a variation of the military braid. However, if you do it tight, it will actually twist, and then it's just kind of something different. Which really I like that better with the soft satin ribbon if you're going to make it twist. But anyway, you could do it like that as well. So this one is like a really nice quick, just like the military braid, except one move different. So you just go under, gold over. Silver under. There we go, gold over. I think for this one, you know, however long you want it, you probably need to do it about 4 times that. Again, depending on the size of your ribbon to start with. But if you need to add some on, you just add a dab of glue and add a little bit of ribbon on. So it's not that big of a deal if you don't get it the exact right size to begin with. So that's pretty much it. Again, I try not to keep it tight, of course. Just try to keep it somewhat even in tension, but it's, you know, better to just kind of keep going, because if you start messing with it, then they'll end up different, more different than before. So there we go. Remember, over on the gold. And under on the silver. Over on the gold. Under on the silver. Okay. All right, so here it is. Very end here, to give it a staple, and you can kind of see. So it's very similar to the military braid. It just, I like it because it just kind of lays a little different. I don't know. I just really like it. Okay, there you have it. Thanks, y'all.